Welcome to Fundamental Analysis Basics. This session focuses on understanding the factors that determine an asset's intrinsic value, such as economic indicators, company performance, and global events. Fundamental analysis helps traders and investors make informed, long-term decisions by looking beyond price charts. By the end of this session, you'll know how to use key tools and concepts to analyze markets effectively. Section 1. Key economic indicators. Interest rates. Central banks set interest rates, influencing borrowing costs and economic activity. Higher interest rates typically strengthen a currency, but may slow economic growth. Inflation measures the rise in prices over time. Moderate inflation signals healthy growth, while high inflation can erode purchasing power. Gross domestic product represents the total value of goods and services in an economy. A growing GDP often signals a strong economy, boosting investor confidence. Employment data. High employment levels indicate economic stability and consumer spending potential. Example, a sharp rise in job creation is often bullish for equities. Section 2. Company-specific fundamentals. Earnings reports. Companies report revenue, profit, and future guidance quarterly or annually. Example, if earnings exceed expectations, the stock price often rises. Debt and valuation ratios. Metrics like the debt-to-equity ratio show how much debt a company holds relative to its equity. The price-to-earnings ratio